is our end of the year party.
Hi. It's Precious. Go first. Today is our end of the year party. This vlog is unplanned. I just realized I took too many videos and decided to collate them into a vlog, so pardon me. We're thanking God for seeing the end of the work here in 2025. So guys, I'm just arriving and people are all seated down. I came early, but then I had a very embarrassing situation. My shoes, guys, God, my shoes decided to disgrace me in public today. I quickly had a quick fix, but I'm not so comfortable with the outcome. It's what it is. The carol presentation has started, and for so many presentations, it was pure cacophony. But that's the fun of it anyway. So let me just leave you to listen for yourself. One of the highlights in today's event is the Secret Santa gifting. So the idea is that numbers would be uploaded on the portal and you're to pick a random number. Now immediately you pick that number, a name will be revealed to you and you are going to gift that particular person. So it's an anonymous gifting idea, and so the gift will be presented today. Because it's an anonymous type of gifting, anything you see inside is your local. If somebody decides to give you a pen and you decide to give somebody a pot, it's your luck. Actually, I think these guys deserve one of the top positions because their own presentation was mwah. So fourth quarter birthday celebrants were asked to come out to snap with a cake, and as a November baby I had to represent. So this is me just going to snap with a cake. Other fourth quarter birthday celebrants also came along and we all took a group photograph. After the cutting of the cake, it was my group's turn to come and present our own Christmas carol. Guys, if you laugh. Anyways, our presentation was funny. I don't even know why they gave me a mic. Like, we didn't agree that they were going to give me a mic because I'm not the lead vocalist, but I don't know why they gave me a mic. And guys, my voice was just doing its own that day. Anyways, listen for yourself. But let me tell you what I was trying to say. I want to start it because out of bed. Now you want to shoot with your head out of bed. You know I like when you ready. If I hit the front of that, she gon' hit the side.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. So it's been a year of teamwork, hard work, and plenty deadlines, and we glory to the newborn King. Time the holy come, offspring of a virgin school. Children birds the golden city. Children cry, So there was also presentation of awards to staff of the year, best dressed and most punctual, and your girl didn't win any. Now is the time for dancing competition. Guys, I don't know who sent me. They said one person from each table should go outside and represent the team. I thought they were going to ask us quiz or anything. I didn't know it was dance competition. They asked us to come. See me dancing now. What am I even doing here? Hey! I've not even danced anything. Oh, that was how they were saying, go or leave. After they pursued one person, I was the second person they pursued. God. I just disgraced myself, seriously. But on the brighter side, I took second position from behind. It was today I knew that some staff can dance. All these corporate wears we wear every day is just covering vibes upon vibes. Ah, steps they cry. Another banger.
make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a key, party bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it. Kilo fait on my deck, chocolate, fine fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, wine I'm on more than, your body, chocolate, go share it, yeah, in my day, double dose, kilo fait, wine now, my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want gon' give me control, even want to get out, I'ma make up my you, I'ma need your I go my you, I'ma need your do maybe.
After the dancing, we continued the gift presentation, and I was also called upon to receive my gift, and I'm so eager to go home to see what I have in my package. Ngwanu, it's time for item 7. Our expectations shall never be cut short. So guys, we had to come to the buffet stand to take our meal, and the food was nice. It was on point. The caterers did excellently well. There were lots of drinks, you know. I really enjoyed my time at this event, truth be told. To think that I was actually thinking I shouldn't come, you know, that kind of stuff. Anyway, I have no regrets for coming. But looking at this now, this food is mocho. How was I able to finish this? As a shakara baby that I am, I decided to twirl and take pictures and videos with my dress. Guys, I made this dress. Sorry I didn't film a tutorial on this. Also guys, I used this dress for a very significant event in my life. Can you guess what that is? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. What event do you think I used this dress for? And I may just do a video on that. My spectators must be thinking like, girl, we've seen the dress, it's beautiful, can you now rest? But nah, I ain't gonna rest till you guys reaffirm the beauty. So it was getting late, and I had to quickly tag along with one of my colleagues who was driving towards my direction. Lest I forget, we took 3rd place in the Christmas Carol competition and were presented with a cash prize. Thank God our rehearsals didn't go in vain. By the way, why haven't you subscribed to my channel? Click on the subscribe button right away and give the video a like. Abego is not a command though, just be generous with me, okay? I love you. Mwah.
You don't need no applause. Put some ice on you cause you got it.